and create a new text cell to work in. And I'm going to do like the analysis. So another double hashtag, the analysis, little title. So the governing equation for right triangles is, now I want to basically write Pythagorean theorem for this diagram. And I had the vertical leg there, I didn't write a symbol, let's use H, and the seeing distance is L, and the horizontal leg is D. So let's write out Pythagorean theorem for that. Now I want to use a special code for creating this equation, and this is called LaTeX or LaTeX. It's a special programming language for creating nicely formatted mathematics, and it's really not that difficult. So to start a piece of LaTeX formatted math, you start with $2, and now I want to write Pythagorean theorem. Now the hypotenuse was L, so L squared, and I use the up arrow caret key. So L up arrow, that means L raised to the power of 2 equals, and the two legs squared, the sum of the two legs squared. So the left-hand leg, which I didn't label, we're going to call that h, so I'll call it lowercase h squared. I'll put a space here, plus. The horizontal leg was uppercase D. And so that's Pythagorean theorem for this situation, this model that I'm using, that the seeing distance squared equals the sum of the squares, the two legs of the right triangle. And to finish my math, I'm going to end it with two more $signs. And the moment I do that, lo and behold, on the right-hand side, I get this beautiful equation. So that's the equation I'm going to work with. So what I'm going to do to analyze this is I'm going to solve for L. Let's solve for L. And I'm going to put a couple of spaces in. I'm going to write the solved equation. So the solved equation is not a really tricky solution here. L, uppercase L, equals the square root. Now, to make a square root symbol in LaTeX, you type a special code for square root, and it begins with a backslash. That's a slash that leans to the left. SQRT, which is short for square root. And then you use a pair of curly braces. Those are on the right-hand side of your keyboard. You have to shift square bracket, the curly braces. And inside the curly braces, you put the thing that you want to appear under the bar of the square root symbol. In this case, it's going to be h squared plus uppercase D squared. So that's the whole math for the solving for L. And again, I finish that with $signs. Hit enter. And lo and behold, on the right, we see the solved equation. L equals the square root of h squared plus D squared. Nice.